Yes. Now is that correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You guys are more tech savvy than us.
Yes,
Oh
ma'am.
yes, oh yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar, namaskar. So I am so
Namaskar,
happy,
Namaskar, ma'am.
and glad.
Namaskar, ma'am.
That's why we
ma'am.
are
Namaskar,
sitting here.
Namaskar, ma'am.
That's why we are sitting.
Namaskar, ma'am.
We wanted to show you the school.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Yes, namaskar, namaskar. Good afternoon, children. And we are here in sitting in your school, sitting on the stage. The stage is today missing you. The courtyard is missing the lovely children of Manaskriti because you all are not there. But here we all are here to show you, tell you about Independence Day and its importance. So first, heartiest congratulations to our country. We all are proud citizens of our country. And today, children, we celebrate the 74th Independence Day. And this Independence Day, children, is Atam Nirbharta. Children, you know what is Atam Nirbharta? Atam Nirbharta means sakshamta, अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखना चीज के लिए. And the way, the confidence that you all are getting into yourself, I can see it when you yourself said that, ma'am, why don't we have the spotlight video? That's so amazing that you have the confidence that how things can become better. So this is what we as citizens of our country have to pray and preach and tell everyone of. Now, Atam Nirbharta, now I will tell you about Swadeshi movement, which was started by Gandhi ji long time back in 1908. Children, it started, the Swadeshi movement started from that particular time when he used to tell us about the charkha. Have you seen Gandhi ji is very famous for his charkha, isn't it? So he used to say that why should we all wear Western clothes? Why should we all wear fabric which comes from Western India, Western world? Why should we wear, why should we use things which come from the Western world? Why don't we all use things which are made only in India? That is how he started. Now he was just a simple man and he used to tell us about doing the charkha and making up the own yarn, the own thread, and from that thread only he used to get the things made up. The cloth used to be made, and that was how the Swadeshi movement started. Now, slowly and lately, then the thing started. Then, when Pandit Nehru also came, and in 1946, when he declared, when he became the first prime minister of our country, he also said, and you, in the very, the first thing, the Sarthak, what told us in the Tryst with Destiny speech that he gave at 12 in the midnight that particular day. That was a day also when he says, and that's why Nehruji is also called as the architect of our country. Now he said that why don't we have our own hydroelectric turbines? Why don't we have our own dams? Then that's how the projects of the Bhakra Nangal Dam, the other dams came up in India, and we started making our own electricity and our own generation of things started it up. Sooner or later, it started, it moved ahead. But somewhere down the line, we as Indians get attracted to the global things a lot. Because there is where, when does it this happen? When our confidence is lost. When we think that we cannot make a better iPhone than what Apple can make it. Children, I will announce it that Apple this year, 2020, that we all are so attracted to Apple iPhone, including your principal. Even I have an Apple iPhone, but Apple has said that this year they are going to make one of Apple iPhone in India. Now, how is this all coming up? Because we as millennials, we as countrymen of India, we have shown that proud and that pride in our country, India, and that is why the global corporates are coming to us and they are saying that we will our industries here in India and do up the same thing what we were doing it overseas. Google, the person behind Google, Mr. Pichai, do you know he's a person from India only? I think you all know about it.
Yes.
Has also taken out an
Yes, ma'am.
app
Yes,
on this
ma'am.
particular day, 15th August. There is an app which is launching it up tomorrow.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when you download that app, It is all based on artificial intelligence. If it comes into your mind that you want to hear a santoor, or you want to hear a harmonium, you want to hear Vande Mataram, it can play that. So that is the magic of these things, children. So though technology has taken inroads, because of this COVID, everybody, I feel that Indians have stood together to fight against this COVID. You as children have also stood for this COVID, aren't you? You have yourself deprived yourself of coming out in the playgrounds, going out in the parks, going out with your parents to your nani house or to your dadi house, and know where you all are going, because you all want to stay united. That is unity for a child like you. That is solidarity, showing it up. You are abiding by the instructions being sent to you by the government, by the school, by the organizations. So you yourself have proved as the great citizens of our country, India. And Manaskriti is really proud of each and every child. Everywhere I can see the attendance of your classes. Every day you all are present. Every day you are listening to your teachers, and you are doing such lovely things also along with your teachers, along with your peers. Now, taking along after the Pandit Nehru, then came, I think Modi was the one, Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister from 1991. 2004, he launched up the project of Make in India. What is all that? That is Atam Nirbharta. Use things which are there in our own country. So we as Manaskriti children, we are going to buy things which is made up only in India and which is promoted only in India, and we are going to shun away everything that is made it up globally. So what is the message for this on this Independence Day for all the Manaskriti children is, let's all be vocal to the local. Now for a child like you, what is local? Local is wearing things which is made in India. No more H&Ms and no more Zaras. We are all going to wear things from Khadi. That is why your cultural dress of our school is also relating to our Khadi. Khadi is made up in India. It is generated by the artisans of our country, the weavers of our country. So wear those clothes only. Eat vegetables and fruits, eat food items which are made here in India. Don't go in for the apples and the lovely thing that you do. We do get attracted to buy an American apple or any other mango which is produced outside our country. Why? We should buy local things and feel very proud about it. And that is what we all have to do it. Now, all the frontliners, the Corona warriors, we all are saying. Now, if it all, we all have said thank you, we have sent them thank you letters, we have sent them gratitude messages also. Now, that was one part of it, children. Now, on this Independence Day, take a pledge that it's not just showing up that thank you and that message, also instilling, inculcating hygiene. Hygiene is something very important, and taking care of your health. Instill it among your community, among your parents, your families, and the friends, that hygiene and health has to be taken care of. Immunity has to be taken care of. Eat well, sleep well, and do a lot of good exercise. I know we all have got into that in our houses, or maybe whatever open space you have it in your house, children. Do yoga, do healthy exercises, do keep yourself fit, because it's a well proven fact, a healthy mind stays in a healthy body. So on this Independence Day, I want all my Manaskriti children to take a pledge that we are going to propel, we are going to instill health and good wellness in among ourselves and also with our family and friends. And the last thing I would really like to tell you all is that be connected with your grandparents. Sit with them every day. Mental wellness has become a big question mark this year because of the coronavirus. Your grandparents also always remember, they also cannot go out. They can't meet their friends. They can't meet their relatives. They can't even see their own children. If they are stuck in one child's house, they are stuck. They can't go out. Read a book. Read anything. Go to your dadu today itself. Sit with him. Maybe if your dadu is not staying, give a phone call. Dadu, Dadi, I'm going to read a story. Please listen to it. You will surely get the best of the blessings from the Almighty, children. So be a good Manuskriti mind, be yourself, and be confident. And I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. आत्मनिर्भरता बनाएगा उज्जवल भारत और उज्जवल भविष्य मनुस्कृति के संग. Thank you so much, children. Jai Hind.